If you are serious about starting a YouTube channel or growing one, you don't want to have any copyright strikes. Your first offense will be considered
A warning?
but after that, you are taking the chance of YouTube taking down your videos or completely terminating your channel. My best advice would be to play by the rules and you will have nothing to worry about. In this video, I share with you the 2 places I go for free music and sound effects. Welcome to my channel. I'm Cheryl with all things Cheryl Snell. I create videos centered around narcissistic abuse, faith, God, and life. If you are new, I hope you enjoy your time here and consider subscribing to my channel. If you are serious about starting a YouTube channel or growing one, you don't want to have any copyright strikes. No one wants their videos taken down by YouTube or have their channel completely terminated. If you are putting in the effort to make a video, play by the rules and use copyright-free music and sound effects. Here are the 2 places I go to do this. If you have any questions on music or sound effects, let me know in the comments below and I will answer the best I can. If you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and watch me grow as a YouTuber while enjoying the content I create. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.